I'm Paula and today we're going to draw a rabbit. This is the final result. Bye, see you next time.
Hi everybody, this is a snake lion and he can wiggle and roar, but his name is Godzilla!
My animal's name is Snake Rank. It has a snake's face, a fish's fins for arms, a raccoon tail and gorilla feet and a pig body.
This is my mixed up animal I made. It's got a lemur tail, it's got the body of a flying possum, so it's also got the flaps, gibbon's arms, tiger stripes, a cat's head, and a fox's ears, and I've put some things around it just to make it a bit less boring, the picture.
Hi everybody, this is my place and she have the cat's body and the cat body and she have wings to fly with and she flied all the way to the tree.
Effie has designed a Koji Mizi. It's a koala, a giraffe, a meerkat with a zebra's tail, and it eats chocolate chips.
It's my champion mode. It's made from an eagle's body, giraffe's arms, chimpanzee feet, and a crocodile face.
This is a sea elephant and this is a seahorse and this is an elephant and this is the seahorse bits wings and this is the elephant's bits his arms and then this is his wings and this is a tiger part, this is his feet and this is his tiger tail and yeah, bye.
Good afternoon and welcome to today's challenge. Today I am going to be doing challenge 22, which is a drawing of my own animal. I put half a giraffe and half a wolf, and I also made a name out of them if it was a whole animal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay home, can't wait to see you all soon. Bye, thank you.
Hello and good morning, our teachers, classmates, and all the staff at Milton Hall Primary School. My name is Sibir from my class, and I am with my sister Dua in Scott class. As many of you know that the month of Ramadan is starting from Friday, so we have decided to make a little video to share some information with you about the month of Ramadan. Dua, do you know what is the month of Ramadan?
Yes, I know that the Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar.
Well done, Dua. You are right. In the month of Ramadan, adult Muslims will give up food and drink during the hours of daylight. Muslims will wake up before dawn for a meal called Suhoor. At sunset, Muslims will open the fast with a meal called Iftar. Usually it is to end the...
Go.
Here today, I made this. I'd say it's just about 7 feet long.
7 feet long, is it?
I
Cool.
say how big it is 10 foot tall.
Would it be? So in real life, if we saw this creature, it would be 10 foot tall.
Yeah.
Cool. I wouldn't like to come across that.
Look, this is the scorpion's head.
Yeah.
It's a tentacle.
A tentacle. All right, if we turn it to the side a bit, that's it. Then you can
A
show.
tail.
A tail?
A scorpion stinger.
A stinger. Yeah.
Scorpion pinches. A dark fin.
A shark fin. Yeah.
Spots on it.
Whoa.
And eyes on it.
There's eyes.
And head and pinches.
And whose eyes did you say they were? Do you remember what
Bush
creature? A
babies.
bush baby eyes. Wow. So we've got a creature that's made from scorpion, shark, bush baby, and did we have spots? We did, didn't we?
Spots are here.
Yeah.
Da 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 da.
And what creature are the spotted legs from?
A snow leopard.
A snow leopard. Wow. All right, thanks for that, yeah? She did loads of work for that, didn't you?
Also, it's about 100 feet tall. And
Wow, it's
the
getting bigger.
The babies will be 10 foot tall.
10 foot tall. Cool. Definitely, that would be quite scary, I think, to come across a creature that looked
But I
like
would
that.
be bigger than the adults.
Okay.
And bye, kids. Get well soon.
Bye.
Down in the jungle, come if you dare. What can you see shaking here and there? With a shaky shake here and a shaky shake there. What's that creature shaking here and there? It's a bear. She goes shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie. Shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie. Shake, shake, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way she's shaking here and there. Down in the jungle where nobody sees, what can you see swinging through the trees? With a swingy swing here and a swingy swing there. What's that creature swinging through the trees? It's a monkey! He goes swing, swing, boogie woogie oogie. Swing, swing, boogie woogie oogie. Swing, swing, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way he's swinging through the trees. Down in the jungle in the midday heat, what can you see stomping its feet? With a stompy stomp here and a stompy stomp there. What's that creature stomping its feet? It's an elephant. She goes stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie. Stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie. Stomp, stomp, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way she's stomping her feet. Down in the jungle where the trees grow high, what can you see flying in the sky? With a flappy flap here and a flappy flap there. What's that creature flying in the sky? It's a bird. He goes flap, flap, boogie woogie oogie. Flap, flap, boogie woogie oogie. Flap, flap, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way he's flying in the sky. Down in the jungle where the leaves lie deep, what can you see learning how to leap? With a leapy leap here and a leapy leap there. What's that creature learning how to leap? It's a leopard. She goes a leap, leap, boogie woogie oogie. Leap, leap, boogie woogie oogie. Leap, leap, boogie woogie oogie. That's the way she's learning how to leap. the jungle where there's danger all around. What can you see slithering on the ground with a slither, slither here, a slither, slither there? What's that creature slithering on the ground? It's a snake. He goes slither, slither, boogie, woogie, oogie, slither, slither, boogie, woogie, oogie, slither, slither, boogie, woogie, oogie. That's the way he's slithering on the ground. Down in the jungle where the stars are shining bright, who can you see swaying left and right? With a sway, sway here and a sway, sway there. Who's swaying left and swaying right? We are! You, me, everybody! We go sway, sway, boogie, woogie, oogie, sway, sway, boogie, woogie, oogie, sway, sway, boogie, woogie, oogie. That's the way we boogie through the night. We go sway, sway, boogie, woogie, oogie, sway,